Hello guys, I'm Laura and I'm an affiliate marketer now. I say now because a few months back I was a complete newbie having no idea about affiliate marketing. I've stumbled upon this exclusive training package by chance and literally blown away by its contents. This course teaches you everything there's to know to get started with affiliate marketing and makes outstanding commissions like pro affiliates. I mean, they have included every single thing, like how to promote products from different marketplaces, how to choose top converting niches and products to promote, how to create your own affiliate website, getting traffic for your promotions, etc. Everything is screen recorded and step by step, so you know exactly what to do, how to get started and earn more commissions. After learning from this training course, I set up my own affiliate marketing business and started promoting products, and needless to say, I am generating pretty decent leads, traffic and commissions, all thanks to this detailed, well-explained training package. I've learned so much from this and confidently say that there is no better affiliate marketing training course out there that teaches you everything step by step. Grab it, guys. It's a one-of-a-kind training course, and currently they are offering this gold nugget package with a massive discount. Highly recommended.